Hey there and welcome to Matt's Garage. So I just got a really quick tip for you guys. A lot of you probably already know about this, but it's called the key dance. And it's how you retrieve codes from your PT Cruiser at home for free with no equipment. So watch along. If you've been keeping up with my videos, you'll know I just bought this 2005 PT Cruiser convertible. And it had a check engine light on when I got it. And it had two trouble codes. One for a cam sensor and one for a power steering pressure sensor. So I replaced that cam sensor, but I never replaced or did anything with the power steering pressure sensor. It's kind of a useless thing, and some of these cars don't even have the pressure sensor, so I'm not worried about it, but I just want to check and make sure that is in fact the reason why my check engine light's triggered again here. So what you do is you take your key and you put it in the ignition and you turn it to accessory, and what you're going to do is cycle it between accessory and on position really quickly 3 times, ending with it on, and then you'll look really quickly here and it'll read out the trouble code. If there is no trouble code, it will just say done, and it doesn't stay on there very long, so make sure you're watching for it and ready to write it down. So here we go. You got to do this really quick. All the cycles have to be completed within about 5 seconds. So there you go. You can see it says P0551, and then it'll just disappear and read done, and that's all you get. So make sure you write it down, and then you can Google it. I happen to know that is a power steering pressure sensor, so like I say, I'm not concerned about that, but I just wanted to show you guys how you can easily check for trouble codes at home. You don't need a scanner or anything. Really easy on these PT Cruisers. So thanks a lot for watching. I do hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have yourself a great day.